Jen of all trades. Today I'm doing a long overdue review. I have an amazing product I want to share with you. We're going to go over all the details as well as some clips of me using the product. So let's get into this. Alright, so today we are trying the Natural Rapids Charcoal Clay Healing Mask. This is what the box looks like when you receive it. I have had it for a few weeks now. I really wanted to actually try it out for you, really get a good feel for how it works. There are some different ways of using it, which I'll get into in 1 second. But let's go over all of the positives and things that this mask claims to do and what it's all about, and then I will show you how it actually performs. So this is, again, by Natural Rapids. It is made with all natural and organic ingredients. You do get 4 ounces, and it is a powder. So let's look at this. It is a gray type of powder that you have to mix. So it combines traditional healing clay with the incredible power of activated charcoal. It also removes impurities in your skin. It unclogs your pores. It can prevent and reduce acne and blackheads. It removes toxins that are deep in your skin, stuff that you don't even know is in there, and it is great for all skin types. So I will say, if you do not already know, I have generally dry skin. I use a moisturizer at least twice a day, especially in the winter time. So let's go over how this works. So with this, basically you mix this powder with different mediums to get different results. I would assume different results. So you can mix it with apple cider vinegar, you can mix it with water, or you can mix it with aloe vera juice. So basically you mix it up and then you leave it on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes, or if you have sensitive skin, if your skin can handle it, you can do 10 to 15 minutes, and then you just wash it off. So let's get into some of these clips of me actually trying it. The very first one I tried was with the apple cider vinegar. So let's get into how to mix that up and how I did it and how it all works. Okay, so as per the instructions, you mix this with 1 teaspoon of water, apple cider vinegar, or aloe vera juice, which I have no idea where to get. So, and I'm going to try it with the apple cider vinegar and also with water. So for this particular time, I'm doing it with the raw apple cider vinegar as stated, and this is just what I have. So I have my little bowl. Okay, so it has no smell. I don't smell anything right now. I'm a little weird about putting apple cider vinegar on my face, but you know, we'll see how that goes. So 1 teaspoon of each, and then I can just add a little more of this or the liquid, depending how thick I want it, I guess, as needed. Okay, that's definitely not enough. Now, put a little more water. Powder. So this seems about right. Kind of like a paste. It seems like it would be good. It looks like I just went and got mud out of the yard. Alright, so I have this on my face. I will say the vinegar burns my eyes, like being this close to my eyes. I feel it, and it doesn't feel good. The smell is terrible. It just feels like a mud mask, so we will see how this is, if it's worth it at the end when I rinse it out. It says to wait 5 to 10 minutes for sensitive skin and 10 to 15 minutes for normal skin. So I do have normal skin. I taste the vinegar. maybe water is a better option. I really layered it on there thick too, so we'll see how this turns out. And sorry, I'm closing my eyes because it doesn't feel good. My face feels okay. I can feel it definitely starting to dry. I'll be back and let you know how it feels. It does say that it may make it tingly. I can feel like the tightening sensation of like a normal like kind of mask. So I'll keep you updated along the way, and I'll be back in a few minutes to rinse this off. Rinse this off.
I am Batman. Hey, what are you doing?
Woo! So this is my face after I rinsed everything off. It did leave it kind of red, as you can see, and that's what I'm showing you here. It did say that that was normal, and it did indeed go away after about 10 minutes or so. And then I also had to wash my face with a normal cleanser afterwards because it just felt gritty. But it did feel good after everything was all said and done. Now, as you can see, it did mix up very well, not necessarily using the ingredients in the mixtures that they say, but you can just kind of play around with it and get the right type of consistency that you need. It did leave my skin red, but it feel like it was really tight afterwards. It felt really good and smooth, especially after I put moisturizer on it. My face was like baby skin. It was really nice. So the next, as you can see here, we are going to be trying this next with the water mixture. So this is it after I mixed it with water. You can see it definitely is not as smooth as when I mixed it with the apple cider vinegar. It's real clumpy and chunky and thick and just kind of weird. So I can already tell you that the difference with the water-based one instead of the apple cider vinegar, it's thicker and it doesn't mix as well, but also it's very thin when you put it on. So I do feel it tightening. Definitely doesn't have that nasty smell that the apple cider vinegar one had, but I will let you know once I rinse this off if it is effective as the other one and how well it works. Okay, so as you can see, also the water mixture does not quite mix as well as the apple cider vinegar. It also smelled better, which was great, but I feel like it did not have as much activation qualities. I don't feel that it was as effective as the apple cider vinegar, so I for future will be using it with the apple cider vinegar and just dealing with the smell because it was nasty. It was gross. But yeah, and I did not try it with aloe vera juice. I don't even know where you would begin to get that, and I don't have that. So if you have that, you can also try it with that as well. All right, so overall, I do feel that this was a very effective mask. My face felt amazing afterwards. It definitely tightened my skin, and I just felt completely rejuvenated and just great afterwards, like you would expect for a face mask. So this definitely, I believe, does exactly what it says. I think it's totally worth it. If you guys want to check it out, it is on Amazon. I will have a link below, but there's more. I also have a 10% discount code right here. So there's your code. Make sure you put that in and apply it at checkout on Amazon to get that 10% off. So this does retail for $15.99, but after shipping, when you add shipping and tax, but after the discount, the total comes to $20.38. So if you guys want to check it out, the link is below, so go get you one today and let me know how it works for you, or if you've already tried this before and how you like it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I think it's always amazing to find new brands out there that I've never tried before for things like this. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are not already. And I will see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.